What's up, guys? We're back with a new video. In today's video, we're just gonna be doing a little daily incense run. I'm eating ice cream right now. So we're gonna head down to my local dog park and see what we get. The counter is an axe. That's cool. I think we might be getting some eggs hatched today. Good job. Cool. What is this guy doing here? A wild crowbat. Since when can you get wild crowbats? Bingo. Baneri, 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 baneri. Wabba, wab, 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 fit. What am I doing? Oh, hi, Emily. Crowbat, I see you. Jesus. Oh, seriously. Camper. Okay, I have. I just walked past the guy. Smells like smoke over here. I'm probably smelling stuff. Lo and Geo, dude, you don't see that very often anymore. Rock. Not shiny. Good no Galarian birds. One shiny so far. Only one cool thing, and that was a Crobat. Which is not that cool, but it's cool thing in the wild by itself. Youngest, can you please be... Bruh! Also, y'all, if you're wondering why I'm crashing out about Youngest not being shiny, let me just show you why. Look how many encounters I've had. 634! And still not a single pink Youngest. Whenever I get one, I'm going to name it to Pink Goose. Because it's a young goose that's pink. Okay. Walk up here. Turn around. And head back. This is my normal daily incense route. Usually walk all the way. Ooh. I didn't realize I was there. Looks like a tree branch. Like a giant tree branch fell off onto one of the fences of the dog park. That doesn't look good. Birds, can you be quiet? Jesus. Pretty sure those are seagulls. They're loud. Also, I don't swear on camera or on video, so don't worry. I'm fully family. I can't speak! I'm fully family friendly. Jesus. I can't speak today. You know, I also have KSA tomorrow. So that's gonna be fun. So, y'all just wish me good luck on my KSA test tomorrow. Oh. Let's see what we get. Please be a room or something. Pancham. I don't want a Pancham. What did I get? How did I get 2 Panchams in a row? Both of them are not that good at IVs. Oh my. Seriously, I need to catch a dark type Pokemon. It's not shiny, so I don't care. Squirrelpy. Now that's a cool thing to find. Jeez, the echoes. Get my item bag is full. What in the what? Why is there a haunter here? When did a haunter spawn? I don't think I have. Literally, bro. I didn't even realize a haunter was spawned. Like, when did that thing spawn? Like 2 minutes ago? Like, as soon as I walked here? I walked over drainage. A haunter and a ghastly! Oh no. Drifloon. Do car are you gonna turn, or what are you gonna do? You're gonna turn. Did I miss anything? I don't think I missed anything. Okay, let's head back. I'm literally recording this like right after school. Which is fun. Okay, hi Charmander. Oh, stop recording. Oh, school bus. Cannot run faster than a school bus, I know that. Oh, Galarian Meowsto. What's turning? Oh gosh, I mean, there's dogs. Oddish. It's an oddish. It's oddish. It's very odd-ish. What am I doing? Anyways, y'all, I'm almost home. You see my mom's car. Electric. Let's go. Got the shiny. That was a way cheaper drop test. I remembered it. Being that's the counter before I end the video. See, I'm home, so peace out and have a good catching day.